Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to adjust player carrier camera. To adjust player carrier camera, firstly let's go to game settings and next find camera. Scroll down, find player carrier camera and select between tactical focus, Tele Broadcast Pro and more. In my opinion, the best camera for this mode is tactical focus. This is camera used for player carry matches when locked to an outfield player. The focus camera variation has specific dynamic zooming behavior attached to your player, such as when sprinting or performing skill moves. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.